We facilitated the training for over 15,000 attendees. Our training programs included professional developments, workshops, boot camps, keynotes, and webinars. Our customized and integrated training programs included simulation-based tactics, joint workshops with industry leaders, training conferences, hands-on classes, online and offline webinars. People want to learn more about the latest technology. They are looking for a unique approach to listening, increasing their presentation skills, and applying technical skills in a real-world business environment. NBC National has received a lot of credits, the most important of which are ISO certificates in the following areas: ISO 10002, 2008, OHSAS 18001, 9001, ISO 2015, 9001. Learn more here, www.nbctraining.com, or call us at +9 055 385 44187.